Steve and the Mineco team have now scaled their business to a point in which they're contracting in that 150 tonne class market, which is exciting for both Mineco and Liebherr.
Today's handover is the start of a relationship working with Liebherr.
Both Mineco and Liebherr are underpinned by core values being our people are key to our success and the highest quality in everything that we do. We then have a dedicated team that will go and assemble the machine through the project execution phase. When that machine goes to work, Mineco will be supported by a raft of support resources based at the Mount Thorley branch.
Working openly and transparently with Liebherr has certainly been something that we've appreciated.